Let's do 613 divided by 7. 613 is our biggest number, so imagine if you had 613 apples. You were dividing them up into baskets. So you were going one for you, one for you, one for you, one for you, 7 times, and then over and over and over again. Um, and the quotient is going to be how many apples ended up in each basket. And there will be a remainder. So there's going to be something left over that can't divide up evenly into 7. Especially with 7, a lot of people get intimidated. But if you write out your multiples of 7 ahead of time, it'll be way easier. So go ahead, pause the video and go ahead and do that because it's really good practice. Okay, so these are our multiples of 7. That's going to help us a lot just having that there. And now we're going to put in our numbers. So just click and type or follow along with a piece of paper. And we're going to use our standard algorithm: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. First step is to divide 6 by 7, which you cannot do. If I had, 6 apples and I had to put one in, I had to divide it into 7 baskets, I couldn't get to 7 baskets. I wouldn't have enough. Can't do it. So you're just going to take both these digits and just do it at once, which is kind of cool because it actually saves time. There's less boxes to do. So 61 divided by 7. How many 7s can fit into 61? Get your multiples of 7 and tell me how close can you get to 61 without going over. The closest you can get is 56. How many 7s was that though? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can fit 7 into 61 8 times. In other words, 61 divided by 7 is 8, but it didn't hit it perfectly, right? And that's why you do the next step, which is to multiply. 8 times 7 is 56. Now we subtract. 61 minus 56 is 5. And our next step is 3. I want you to pause the video now and try to finish this up on your own. Okay, so our next step is to divide 53 divided by 7. How many times can you skip count your 7 until you get close to 53, but you do not go over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 53 divided by 7 is 7. 7 times 7 is 49. And then you're going to subtract to find your remainder. 53 minus 49 is 4. And put that 4 up here. So our quotient is 87, remainder 4. This means that if you do 7 times 87, you won't get 613, you'll get very close. You'll get 4 less than that. So 7 times 87 is 609. Plus 4 gets you back to that dividend. 609 plus 4 equals 613. And in other words, you can actually look at it up here. It's pretty cool. 7 times 87 plus 4 equals 613.